Samantha from Consignment Chats. Do you know that List Perfectly, not only can you cross list to many different platforms, but you can have a different section or a different like little note in your description on each of those platforms. So I like people on Facebook Marketplace to know that I collect tax and that my items are for sale via consignment. I do not care to mention that on eBay. Like, who cares on eBay? Nobody cares. They're going to collect tax regardless. eBay does that automatically. And nobody really cares that things are consignment. But when you have that more personal sale on Facebook, people need to know that. If you want to include what cross streets that you are meeting at, or what days you like to meet, or whatever you may need on a different platform. Some people like to put on Poshmark that they are open to bundles or to different sales that they may have going on or things that they offer. You can do that, and it doesn't have to be saved anywhere other than List Perfectly. So from your main List Perfectly catalog right here, let's see here. You're going to go to your left side all the way down at the bottom. And this, you can be on any part of List Perfectly. I can go to the main screen and List Perfectly. This setting on your left side is going to be there. All the way down to the bottom to settings. And you want website settings. This is going to open up this nice new little screen that they got where you can go in and you can make custom marketplaces. You can do all kinds of stuff, but this custom description footer is what we want. So see, I have one set for Facebook, all items posted under consignment by sorting with Samantha. Michigan sales tax will be applied to your total because I list everything as Samantha Pratt. So even though sorting with Samantha is all over my stuff, it's all over my groups, it's all over whatever, I'm listing it under Samantha Pratt. So when I start charging tax, people are like, what the heck? But when I have this in here, the majority of the people go, oh, this is her as her business, and this is what they need to do. Everybody understands it's what I do. So if you needed to add anything in any of these, you're good to go. And then let me show you one of my listings. When I go to cross list onto Facebook, that will not show up anywhere else. I just have it in there for Facebook. When I go to cross list, let's say this item, and I want to copy this over to Facebook, it's going to copy everything over, load my pictures, load all my super easy stuff. Just one little click of the button. Down here, here's my description that shows up on every platform that I have. That is the description that I have. And right here, this part only shows up on Facebook. That's it. It just knows that whatever is in those sections to add it to that platform. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you use these or if you're going to use these. And I hope that you use our code. If you don't already use List Perfectly, make sure to use our code, get a discount, and give it a free trial and get going with it. Have a good day.